In this video, I'm going to do the technical analysis of Dow Jones Industrial Average Index for the week commencing from 12th of July 2021. This is the weekly chart and these are the weekly candles. If you see this, the last candle that was formed for the week of 6th of July, then it is a bullish hammer. This is a bullish hammer. This kind of bullish hammer, it often indicates that there is going to be a bullish trend or a bull trend. Through this candle, it is clear that the next week we are expecting a bull trend in the market, means the market will go up. And we talk about the sort of support and resistances, then we have this resistance. This is very stiff resistance, which is at 35,700. This resistance at 35,700, and then we have a very good support here at 34,500. 34,500. This is a good support, and then we have a critical support here at 33,600. So this is 33,600. So the market is expected to move between these three support and resistances in the coming week only, which will be from 12th of July 2021. So these support and resistances only. Now, if we talk about the technical indicators, then first we have the moving averages. So moving averages, if you see that there is a clear fan out in these the moving averages. This is the weekly chart. So on this the weekly chart, okay, there is a clear fan out here. So this fan out says that the market is one side of the moving averages and it has not crossed the moving averages, which means that there is a bull trend. So again, moving averages, clear fan out, it is supporting the bull trend, a clear bull trend. And if we talk about the Ichimoku, then market is not expected to hit the Ichimoku in this week, at least in this week, or you can say comfortably in this month, market is not supposed to hit the Ichimoku. In the month of August or in the month of September, it may try to, but only if it comes into the consolidation. And if we talk about some other indicators, then we have the following indicators here. Last week I told you that the market is expected to change the direction, and the market did. So for the week of 28th of June, okay, it was bearish in nature, but particularly the stock RSI. But this week the market has changed the direction from bearish to bullish. So, there is one more constraint here, that the stock RSI, the K channel is less than 50. So we need to wait, and we need to see that if the K channel moves above 50. So K channel must be above 50 in order to give it a bull direction. And through mathematical calculation, it is possible that as soon as the market opens on 12th of July, the K channel will be more than 50. So that will be a good sign for the bulls. And if we talk about the MACD, MACD is bearish. MACD is not bullish. MACD is still bearish. But if there will be any good bull movement here in this week, then yes, then the MACD may change its direction from bearish to bullish. If we talk about the momentum, no. On the weekly chart, there is no momentum, neither bull or nor bears. So overall, the picture on the weekly chart is that through all of the technical indicators, that the market is moving up. This is the picture on the weekly chart. Now let's move on to the daily chart. We are here now on the daily chart. On the daily chart, if you see that then there is the double bottom pattern here. There is the double bottom. Okay, so this double bottom, and clearly the second leg of the double bottom pattern. Okay, this particularly on Friday, that was 9th of July. the candle, it closed above the mid portion of this the double bottom pattern. So it is again an indication that the market is moving up. However, there is a constraint here that I'm telling you for last couple of weeks, that the market can move above only when it closes above the high of this candle. The market made a high of 35,091 on 10th of May. So until and unless the market means this, the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, it closes above 35,091. Okay, we cannot say whether the market will move up for sure or not. So we need to wait and watch. However, through all of the technical indicators on the weekly chart, it is a bull movement, and it is expected that yes, that the market may cross 35,091 comfortably on Monday or on Tuesday. Okay, but it's still means you need to take some caution, and if you can wait, then you can then you should wait. And the market and when the market crosses and closes above 35,091, then comfortably you can enter into the trades. If we talk about the technical indicators here, then we have the moving averages first. In the technical indicators, we have the moving averages, and moving averages, there is now there is a clear fan out. Clear fan out means this kind of fan out. Okay, these moving averages are in order, and you can see here that these moving averages are in order. So which means that the moving averages and the market has closed like more than 10 candles. 10 candles means for more than 10 days the market was closing above the moving averages, which means that the market is bullish. And if we talk about the Ichimoku, then the market closed above the Ichimoku. Market did enter into Ichimoku on 8th of July, but it closed above Ichimoku, above the boundary of the Ichimoku. So that was a good sign that there is still a bull movement in the market. And then on Friday there was this very heavy bull candle, very heavy bull candle. So this heavy bull candle itself is supporting the bull trend. And if we talk about some other indicators here, then we have the stock RSI. Stock RSI, as I told you here for this week, that because stock RSI was heavily bullish, so we were expecting a bull movement. However, this kind of pattern was expected, that the market was supposed to come down and then it was supposed to bounce back, and it did exactly what it was supposed to do. So through stock RSI, there is still this bull movement. Stock RSI, it is heavily bullish. MACD is bullish on the daily chart. So MACD is supporting the stock RSI, and we have the moving averages. We have Ichimoku, stock RSI, MACD. All of these are supporting the bull trend momentum. However, it is lacking momentum. Means it may take some time to build momentum, but as of now there is no momentum, neither in the bear direction or in the bull direction. So overall the picture is that there is clearly a bull movement in the market. Means the market is expected to move up. So again, my advice is wait for until you see that the market is crossing and closing above 35,091, and then comfortably enter into the trade. Should you wish to participate in my stock market programs, then I have given the links of these programs in the description of the video. You can take a look. Okay guys, so this was my technical analysis for Dow Jones Industrial Average Index for the week commencing from 12th of July 2021.